and Pixel. Wait, where's Pixel? They're the oldest. They are 2 years old. They were used. I bought them from the pet store with the cage and all those toys. They were 80 bucks. They're really good birds. I love them so much. But I cannot hand train them because whoever had them lost trust with them. So every time I move, they're scared. So I don't think I can gain trust with them. There, I turned on that light. Oh my god, my light fell. But 2 years old, they're very, very good birds. I respect them, and I respect how cute they are. My third oldest. Ew. Fourth oldest. Fifth oldest. Wait, what? How many birds do I have? 5. Okay. So she's the 5th oldest. Yep. Best. My birds are really good birds. Let's see how if it's a good day outside or not a good day. Oh dang, it's raining. Wait, let me put up the other one. Let me get on my bed. Sorry. Yeah, it's raining outside. It's a good day. Well, that's it for today. And look at my giant. Caught it. Look at my giant pinning. It's just someone got water on it, so. But Pearl, I don't know what kind of cockatiel, but she looks like a chicken. Change my name to, and it's kind of like a mini farm. I have bunnies, I have birds, dogs. But yeah, I'm gonna get chickens soon once we get rid of my dog Ace. If anyone wants a dog named Ace, comment down below. He's a pit bull. He's a good dog. He does not bite anyone. He's for sale. That means he's free. And if you live in Indiana or Versailles or Kentucky or something like that, then I'll give him to you. But we gotta see if my aunt's uncle still wants him, because he's in the hospital. He had the coronavirus. But Pearl is some kind of cockatiel. I don't know. But she's a good bird. She's like 2 months old, like I said in my video. I just flew somewhere near me. And Marshmallow is a albino budgie, parakeet. You could say that too. She's a good bird. She's not that trained, but she doesn't want to. Ew. Like 7 months old. And Blueberry is almost a year old. She's about 8 months old probably. And they're both 2 years old. I don't know what kind of budgie they are. I don't know their real names, but I named them Kiwi and Pixel. They are very, very good birds. I love them so much. A macaw, a cockatoo, or any type of bird besides birds like budgies. I do not want another budgie. I want like a Grinchy Connie or a Cockatiel or something like that. But if you do, comment down below, and if you Indiana or sales or Kentucky or something like that, then I'll see if I can pay you for it. Calm now that your face is not in the camera. What? Bye bye, guys.